There are many misconceptions about using AI to support AAC use and learning and all of those things. Perhaps the biggest is, I think, more a kind of a profound misunderstanding of what AI can do and what we have to be cautious of. Um, what I have found in terms of AI and AAC, that AI, when used with some knowledge, when you know how to prompt, when you know what your your goal is, can be an extreme time saver and an extreme, almost like executive function helper.